Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your friend Pratiksha, All India rank 48 and 83 in GATE. And guess what? A few years ago, I wasn't even in top 1000. I was ranked 6672. Yes. Imagine. Huge jump, right? From 6672 to 48 and 83. And honestly, it didn't happen because I suddenly became super intelligent. ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ होगा. It happened because of one skill, that is fighting distraction. And trust me, distractions can make or break your rank, especially in last 1 to 2 months. So today I'm going to share 5 super friendly, super real and totally practical ways that help me climb my rank. So बिना distraction, let's get started. So the first rule is 2 minute rule. बहुत काम की चीज है. We say कि बस 5 मिनट फोन देख लो and then पूरा momentum gets disturbed, right? So 2 minute rule will actually help you reduce overthinking. Whichever work take less than 2 minutes, do it then and there, right now. For example, if you want to put your phone on silent mode, don't overthink. It will take just few seconds. Do it. Keep water, bring water. It will take less than a minute. Do it. Cleaning the table, arranging your notes, closing extra tabs. बस छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, but we waste so much of time in overthinking them. So rather than wasting your time on overthinking, अगर वो 2 मिनट के अंदर हो रही है, if it is having potential to get completed within 2 minutes, do it then and there only. Small discipline will definitely give you big results. इससे लास्ट 40-50 डेज में तो आपका लेजर फोकस होने में बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी. सो डू फॉलो इट. इट इज कॉल्ड 2 minute rule. The second rule is the distraction parking lot. Guys, listen. Our brain is like wild monkey. आपने तो सुना होगा कि if you tell a student or anyone कि don't think about monkey, your mind is tend to think only about monkey in that case. है ना? वो जो हम कहेंगे कि ये आप मत करो, don't do this. Your mind will is actually wired to do only that thing. That is our natural tendency. And hence, this distraction parking lot will help you immensely to curb your distraction. अब हम क्या करेंगे? ऐसा नहीं कि चीजें मत करो. Let's say you have to call a person. या आपको थॉट आ रहा है कि लेट्स मेक एन इंस्टाग्राम रील, या इसमें मार्क कैसे आएगा, ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, हाउ विल आई कंप्लीट सिलेबस, हाउ विल मैनेज माय कॉलेज विथ माय स्टडीज एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. इट्स ओके, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ चेजिंग एवरी thought, note it down. जब भी आप while studying, if such thoughts are coming in your mind, maintain a diary, note these thoughts, and then allocate a time. Let's say 5 to 6. I'll be allocating this time for the things which I have noted down in my diary. In that case, your mind will know कि ठीक है, even if I'm not solving it right now, I have allocated some time for it. And hence that will help solve your mind with the jumping problem, the universal problem of jumping mind. Trust me, this trick actually saved me, especially while studying. Actually, while I was preparing, I encountered chikungunya, and that took me 8 months of my time altogether. But believe me, this trick of distraction parking lot, sometimes I used to feel that I'm not sick, I'm not able to hold the pen, I'm not able to walk. Will I be ever able to remember things? Will I be able to complete my syllabus? क्या रिविजन होगा? मैं टेस्ट कब दो? मैं इससे बात कब करूँ? एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा को आई यूज टू नोट इट डाउन, एंड दैट हैज एक्चुअली हेल्प मी स्ट्रीमलाइन माई थॉट्स. So the rule number 2 was, do have a distraction parking lot by maintaining a diary while studying. The third rule, very important rule, is deep work sprints. Let me tell you something very honestly. Most students don't study 10 hours. They sit for 10 hours. Understand, there is a big difference. 10 घंटे बैठना एंड 10 घंटे पढ़ना, इसमें जमीन आसमान का अंतर है. What I used to follow is 30-minute sprint sessions. I used to study very focused way for 25 minutes and used to take 5 minutes break. In those 25 minutes, no phone, no music, no YouTube, no chai pani, nothing, just focus study. And then in the 5 minutes break, I used to do light stretching, drink water, scroll, chill, talk to parents, friends, whatever. This sprints actually helped me so much in last 2 months. I used to do around 10 to 12 sprints a day, which means 5 to 6 hours of focused study. No long hours, just quality hours. Believe me, deep work is a superpower. The fourth rule is environment engineering. Let me explain you what do I mean. Your environment matters a lot, more than you think actually. If you study on bed, your mind is engineered to sleep on bed, right? So if you sit and study on bed, it is for sure that you will fall asleep. No exception. Science hai ye. So I made small but a powerful change. Study on chair and table, not on bed. Keep essentials, only essentials. ऐसे नहीं कि टेबल पे क्लटर रखो, है ना? Keep your environment clean. Keep only book, pen, water bottle if required, and any other essentials. But but don't keep anything which will actually not contribute in your studying. And phone in another room. This is the most important. हाँ हाँ दूसरे रूम में, you are getting it right, not in drawer, not in anywhere at a reachable distance, keep it in another room. ठीक है? And once you fix your study spot, your brain knows कि ये place, this place is meant to study, so your mind will automatically invert itself and it will primarily focus on studying. These tiny environmental hacks helped me survive even when I didn't have energy during my illness. Trust me, environment is equal to automatic focus. And fifth thing is emotional discipline, not relying too much on emotions. है ना? There are days, I understand, there are days in which we'll feel low, we'll feel behind, comparisons आएंगे, mood swings होंगे, कल से पढ़ूंगा वाला attitude आएगा. There will be guilt of wasting time. And there will be much worse scenarios. But the only thing you have to remember is चाहे जो हो जाए, this time I'll be consistent at least for the next 1 to 2 months. ठीक है चलो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, एटलीस्ट आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड सो मच, कहीं ना कहीं तो काम आ जाएगा. एंड यू हैव टू मूव अहेड विद दिस एटीट्यूड. डोंट ओवर प्लान, डोंट ओवर थिंक, जस्ट टिक, जस्ट मेंटेन योर इमोशनल कोशेंट, जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. है ना? अल्टीमेटली आपको रिजल्ट दिखेगा. सो इमोशनल डिसिप्लिन इज अ मस्ट. ऐसा नहीं कि आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है. डोंट fall for your thoughts, don't fall for your feelings. Promise yourself, for sake of your parents, for your sake, to prove yourself, जो भी आपके reasons हो, maintain emotional discipline. So, guys, this 5 friendly techniques literally changed my life. First one is 2 minute rule. Second is distraction parking lot. Third is deep work sprints. Fourth is environment engineering, keeping your environment neat. Fifth is emotional intelligence. This looks simple, but trust me, in last 1 to 2 months, these are the habits that decides rank. If someone like me can get All India rank 48, then you definitely can do it too. Stay focused, stay consistent, and distractions को दूर रखो, बहुत बहुत दूर. Okay, so see you in next video. Till then, keep pushing, keep working hard, and let's crack this time and prove ourselves. Okay? And guys, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.